right, so we are in Hood River, Oregon. That's where we woke up. We're gonna leave and drive to Bend, Oregon, and spend a couple days there. It's like a lava cave I'm gonna go to, and then after that we're gonna go to Bachelor. So let's get on the road. I don't know where I'm going. It's supposed to be a lava cave down here, though. The Boyd Lava Cave, like outside of Bend. Are we gonna go down there? Yeah, probably won't walk around far because I'm the only person out here. And I just drove like 12 miles out here, didn't see a single person the entire 12-mile drive, so. Is it dark down here? Oh yeah. I actually wouldn't mind going farther, but I'm by myself, so I don't really want to. It's so weird to think that people come down here to like do this as an activity. Like, I'm gonna go down here and crawl in these little tiny holes by myself. That's these like big, huge rock sections where, you know, like the ceiling caved in. Definitely cool. All right. Well, maybe in the future I'll have somebody with me. Now I can go. I mean, it's only I think it goes like a half a mile or something. I'm definitely not gonna go down there by myself. Now we're gonna go, and the only thing I need to do, I want to go to Planet Fitness and shower, drive to Mt.Bachelor, and stay at this snow park. Where are we today? Door frozen. Oh man. Come on, man. Holy shit. We are at Mt.Bachelor. It's my 4th day here. I'm gonna just do a couple runs and then leave, because I need to go do errands. But I just wanted to do this summit lift. It opened yesterday. I got to do it one time before it closed, so I just wanted to do it again today. Maybe do like 2 or 3 runs and then leave. I will say one thing, these views up here are just next level sick.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't bad, my self-esteem been better. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get an NFT to get them when they're in hand and grip.
I just went up and did a couple runs. You gotta go wash clothes. All my clothes are dirty. I also don't really have anything to eat anymore. Did you know I love wearing overalls? Because I do. Okay? If I could wear overalls every day, I would. Not bad for a breakfast view. Where we at? Okay, so we're at the Umpqua Hot Springs. Usually this road goes to like a parking lot, but they close in the wintertime. So you gotta hike like a mile and a half up and then a mile and a half back. And also, I think my plans are gonna change because I was gonna leave here and then go to Crater Lake and then drive over the pass to the 101 and take that down the coast to the Redwoods. But I was like, I don't know, because Crater Lake's closed. I mean, I know that the two north roads are closed in the winter all the time, but then the other road, the only other road, is also closed. They closed it like March 9th or something for that last snowstorm, and they said it still hasn't reopened yet, so I really don't want to just go to see like, you know, like 5% of the park because you can't get to anything. So, no, probably just skip it and go to the Redwoods. Never been to hot springs before. Never. So. Waterfall, like kind of right by the hot springs. They're like down the road from it, called Toquito Falls. I think it's like a short, like a mile there, a mile back. This forest is honestly sick. It just makes me so excited for like the next couple of days. Like, look how big this tree is. Look at this tree. It's a big old tree. I tell you, wintertime's better, man. It's must be like 45 degrees today, too. I just like the way they built it, this huge tree, like right in the middle. That's it. Toquito Falls, maybe? You can't get down there. It's all fenced off. It's a cool waterfall though. I like this one tree that like goes up that wall right there. Alright, so now we're gonna leave. We're gonna go to another waterfall down the street. Or like I don't know, a couple miles down the road. We're just gonna go to another one. We'll do some waterfall days because I'm the coolest part of this whole place. This thing is a 12-foot in diameter plume built out of redwood in 1949. And they 100% need to call Billy to come out here with some Flex Seal tape and take care of this thing. Because it's got some springs and got some leaks. Tell you one thing, this place definitely got some snow pack. I guess this is like the waterfall that not a lot of people go to. That's a big one. And here we are walking up to it. There was a couple here when I got here. So I took some pictures. They were sitting on that log right there. I took some pictures of them without them knowing. And then when they walked by, I was like, hey, give me your phone number. I'll text you these pictures when I edit them later. I've done that like 5 or 6 times. You'll just see couples sitting in cool places. And you know, people take a picture of them. They don't know that I'm, is it kind of creepy? I don't know. Maybe a little bit. Who knows? But that's the waterfall. Watson Falls. All right, so now that we're done with the waterfall, we're gonna drive over to the Oregon coast. We're gonna go down the Oregon coast. I think we're right here, Okete Falls. So we're gonna keep driving this highway, come down here. There's actually a Planet Fitness here in Roseburg. I'm gonna stop there, take a shower. And then I'm gonna cut up this and try to get as high up as the coast as I can, and then just go all the way down. So we'll see if that works. And then we'll just go to Crater Lake later on in the springtime whenever we're back. You know, I gotta come back up here and do all these parks anyway. So that's it. The next video I'll be driving on the Oregon coast, looking at those places on the ocean.